Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2020 Chevy Malibu battery. Park the car, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid shorts. Make sure you have gloves and eye protection on, and keep metal tools away from the battery top. I'll walk you through removing the hold-down clamp, swapping the battery, and reconnecting terminals in the correct order to ensure trouble-free starts. Start by disconnecting the negative cable, then the positive cable, to minimize electrical risk. Use a matching socket to loosen the hold-down clamp and remove any covers blocking access. Carefully lift the battery straight up with both hands, keeping it level to avoid acid spills or corrosion transfer. If the battery is stuck, apply a gentle rocking motion or use a battery strap to safely remove it from the tray. Set the replacement battery into the tray with terminals matching the original orientation to prevent cable strain. Secure the hold-down clamp snugly, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the case. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and spray dielectric grease on terminals to reduce future corrosion. Start the car to confirm a reliable connection, reset any electronic settings if needed, and dispose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.